What appears on screen is a substantial soundbar package, a wide main unit, a wireless subwoofer, and two detachable rear speakers that mount magnetically to the ends of the bar. The JBL Bar 1000 MK2 seems designed for users who want a full home theater surround experience without the complexity of traditional separate speaker wiring. At first glance, the 7.1.4 channel configuration appears ambitious for a soundbar-based system. Dolby Atmos and DTSX support both seem present, with JBL's multi-beam technology contributing to the overhead and spatial effects that Atmos-encoded content relies on. One thing that stands out is the detachable rear speaker concept. These satellite speakers magnetically clip onto the bar for charging when not in use, or can be placed anywhere in the room wirelessly during active viewing. The flexibility appears genuinely useful for viewers who want surround sound without committing to fixed speaker placement. Moving on to audio performance, the subwoofer output appears powerful and floor-filling during action sequences, and the overall soundstage seems wide and immersive for cinematic content. Music performance appears capable, though some reviewers note that microdynamic detail can feel slightly compressed at lower volumes. From here, the JBL One app provides room calibration and custom EQ, which seems to improve the default bass balance that some users find heavy out of the box. Magnetic end caps cover the bar's sides when the rears are detached, a minor but thoughtful design detail. Overall, the experience feels like one of the more versatile home theater soundbar systems in its price range, around $1,199. Some users may find the rear speaker volume insufficient at maximum levels. Depending on your room size and content preferences, this appears to offer a genuinely compelling all-in-one surround experience.